Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 14, 2022. Hard Sudoku. 10th row we have 369 and 8th grade we have 2578. Then column E we have 4. Then in this cell only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 10th row 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. 6th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th grade and 8th grade we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 5th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 9. 2nd grade and 4th row we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 4th grade and 2nd row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. 2nd row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column B we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 6. 9th grade we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 3 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Column J we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. Column E we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, 7th row we have 1. Column E also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 8 and 6. So 8 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Column H, 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row and 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column B we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then fourth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. Third row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. Second row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Sixth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in other 2 cells. Seventh row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Seventh row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.